The Wise-2410 is a LoRaWAN wireless vibration sensor that is suitable for monitoring the health and performance of various industrial machines, such as pumps, motors, and compressors. Featuring a built-in 3-axis accelerometer, it computes 8 vibration characteristic values on board, is compliant with ISO 10816, and offers IP66 protection for harsh environments. Its battery-powered design eliminates the need for expensive wiring. It can be mounted with an optional magnet base mount, or it can be affixed with screws or epoxy, ensuring easy installation. The device operates in a wide temperature range and is easily configured and is well suited for industrial automation and control applications. Its vibration capabilities enable predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Its low cost, easy installation, and wireless connectivity make it ideal for challenging industrial environments. For more solutions and sensor content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the alerts button.